Quick test, which sounds smarter? I utilize my phone daily, or I use my phone daily. If you picked utilize, you're making a classic mistake. Question 1. The company will blank this new software. Is it A, B, or C? A is utilize, B is use, C is employ. The answer is B minus use. Utilize means to find a new purpose for something. Question 2. She will blank her experience to help others. A is use, B is utilize. It's A minus use. Simple is better. Final question. He'll blank the hammer as a paperweight. That's B minus utilize because he's using it for a different purpose. How many did you get? Comment below.